Hi friends! When you are visiting Walt Disney World, have you ever wondered, is there any way that I can figure out what time is my next bus coming? Well, you can, and I got you. Keep watching and I will show you how. So first off, you're going to go ahead and click the menu button down in the right hand corner. Then you are going to scroll down to Resort Hotel, click on that. Now see where it says see bus times? Now click there and it's going to pull up your resort and the bus times from your resort. Because we were staying at the Grand Floridian, Magic Kingdom and Epcot did not have bus times going from the Grand Floridian, but Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, and the water parks did have the times available. You can use this in reverse. So say that you are at Disney's Hollywood Studios, you're waiting for your resort bus, you pull up the app and you see it and it says estimated arrival at park. That is what time it should arrive to pick you up and return you to your resort hotel. We hope that this tip has been helpful for your next Disney vacation. If it has been, please like and subscribe. We'd love to have you in our community, and we hope you guys have a blessed day. We'll see you real soon.